Hello you guys, welcome back to a completely different kind of video on my channel, but we need to organise my makeup drawers. I've got the Alex drawers and they are such a mess, so I want to try and put primers and primers and maybe foundations in this drawer. So let's go through my collection of what I've got. Beware, I am a blogger, so I do get sent a lot of stuff, and I also buy things as well to try and create content for you guys. But yeah, so the first primer that we have is the Rare Beauty, I think this is called Illuminating, what is this called? Pore Diffusing Primer. I don't actually reach for this much, but it's just because I just have so many. But this one is a really good primer if you are looking for something that completely blurs your pores and also keeps your makeup on all day. So yeah, this is a little mini that I got, and I like this, so I will be keeping this. So I'm going to declutter some things in this drawer. I think I'm going to do a drawer per video. So this is going to be a series, so this will be the drawer that I do today, and then we'll do another drawer and another drawer and another drawer, because I don't want to be too overwhelming because there's a lot of stuff here. So this is a primer that I am definitely keeping, so I'm going to put it in the keep pile. Next one is this Milk Makeup, what is this called again? I forgot what this is called. I think this is also like a blurring primer. I honestly don't reach for this, but I love the fact that I got this in PR. This was like my first PR package from Milk Makeup, so I will keep this because like that's a big achievement for me. But this is good, I just don't find myself reaching for it much. The e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. I haven't used this. I want to, so I will put this in a little basket for my TikTok videos and YouTube, but I do want to try this out. I love e.l.f. primers, so I'm really excited to try this. But this is their Base Matte Power Grip Primer. So yeah, that's going to go in a little TikTok pile for TikTok. Some things in here are not primers. That's what we're going to work on. This is the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. I absolutely love this primer. This is one of my honest go-tos, so this is definitely staying. This is such a good primer. It's so sticky and it's really affordable too. This is Catrice. They sent this over a little while ago. The Hydrating SPF Primer with SPF 30 and hyaluronic acid. Again, I am really excited to try this, so this will go in my TikTok pile to try. This is the Skin and Me SPF. I use this underneath, so it's kind of like a primer, so that'll go in the keep pile. Really good product, that. The Wee Cherie Gripping Primer Glow. I love this stuff. It's so good. I absolutely love the Wee Cherie Gripping Primer. So when they brought the Glow one out, I was just like, yes, please, get this on my face. This is so good and so affordable as well. This is Catrice Aqua Splash Grip Primer. Again, I was sent this from Catrice. I'm really excited. This kind of gives me like e.l.f. Hydro Grip? e.l.f. Power Grip vibe. So again, that's going to go in the pile to try. Jelly Pop. Who remembers this e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer? This is just such a good primer. I'm never getting rid of this. This is definitely staying in my keep pile. Okay, what else do we have? Primer-wise, I do have a lot of stuff. So this is kind of like a primer, but it's Glass Glow Illuminator. This is stunning from Kevyn Aucoin. I actually feel like I should check the date on this because it says it's for 12 months. That means it's completely out. I need to declutter this. This is like 5 years old, but it's so stunning. I wish I used more of it. But yeah, that needs decluttering immediately. This is the Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. I think I'm going to put this in like my body drawer because that's not really a primer. What else do we have? This is the Milk Hydro Grip Glow Primer. Love this. It's so good. I've never tried the original Hydro Grip Primer and I really want to. if it's anything like this, it is amazing. This is like really, really glowy, and I absolutely love this. This is awesome. It's so glowy. It gives such a beautiful glow. This is perfect for when you've got a tan and you just want a really glowy look. So the rest of this is actually mascaras, so some of my mascaras anyway. So let's take that out for now. Oh, this is another SPF. I do put these in my primer drawers. This is the Invisible and Matte Niacinamide Daily UV Garnier. Again, really, really good product. I got sent this and I love this. I do use this a lot. I am very, very good with my SPF. So I'm going to take all of this out of my drawers. This is also kind of like a primer. This is a moisturiser, but I'm going to put this in my skincare drawer because not that I've got room. So all of this needs to come out. I feel like that wasn't even all of my primers, to be quite honest. I'm not even lying. I feel like that was nowhere near the amount of primers that I actually own. But let's get all of this out. And we can just put away my primers. Okay. So we need a baby wipe because there's tan everywhere. Yeah, that's probably the best. Primers. I honestly, like I said, feel like I've got loads more, but they are my primers for that drawer. I'm gonna put setting sprays here, but let me just make sure that I'm not missing any. Also got this Say Rose Glowy Super Gel, which I do kind of use as a primer, but it's more of like an illuminating thing. So I'm going to put that there because that is amazing stuff. I use that every single day actually. Stay. I've then got the Filter Finish primer from Collection. I knew I had more. And then my primer that I use every day is the Beauty Crop We Cherie Gripping Primer Cherry. Cherie, that's how you say it. Yeah, I really love this, so that's going to stay in there. And that, I think, is honestly all of my primers, if I'm right. There's probably more, but I don't know where they are. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to put some setting sprays now. First of all, I've got the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. This is an absolute favourite of mine. It's never going anywhere. I've just been sent this in PR. Brand new one. I absolutely love this setting spray. It's the setting spray that made me believe in setting sprays, to be quite honest with you. And the We Cherie Gripping Setting Spray, that's definitely going in there. I don't think I have many. Oh, okay, I do. Okay, we have the Dewy Bounce Seal and Set Mist. I honestly haven't tried this. This needs to go in like my TikTok pile because I want to try that. And the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, again, great product, love it, that's staying. The Jelly Mist from Revolution. I haven't really tried this properly, but I do personally like it because I love Revolution. Yeah, so they're staying. So that is primers and setting sprays. I feel like we could get something up here, so maybe we should put powders. Okay, powders, I've got the Lasting Perfection Sheer Loose Powder from Collection Cosmetics. It's a great powder, I just honestly just don't reach for it. I don't know, maybe I should declutter this one because I just genuinely just don't reach for it. So yeah, I'm going to declutter that one. The Huda Beauty Pound Banana Bread. This is one of the best setting powders you will ever try in your life. She's staying. And then I have the Cherry Blossom Cake version. Again, sent in PR. She's staying. Love these. We've got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. This is honestly a hit pan. I'm not getting rid of it. I never will. It's one of my favourite powders, so that is definitely staying. The Translucent Baking Powder from Revolution. It's a really good powder, this. It's just awkward packaging, but yeah, she's staying as well because I do like it. This is an absolutely incredible powder. This is from Chalab Lavender Matte Powder. There is something incredible about this. I swear down, it's so blurring. So she's staying because I want to do some TikToks on that as well. The Vitamin Babe Setting Powder. This one is translucent. I am loving these powders. So she is staying. And then in my everyday makeup bag, I also have the Vitamin Babe Setting Powder in pink. And once again, she is staying because I just absolutely love these products. If I'm right, that is all of my primers, all of my setting sprays and all of my powders. I do feel like I'm honestly going to find more, but for now I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I would put this as a primer because I do use it, but it's more of skincare for me, so that is going to stay in my skincare drawer. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe because the next video is going to be foundations and skin tints.